Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Lee. He's Ben, my good friend Ben. He's amazing, look at him. Today we're putting those seats in that car with that steel. You don't want to drive the car without a seat. Sit down in it.
It's not just a seat, there's no brakes. You're getting filthy here.
Oh, it's alright, they're your scrubs. That's fine, isn't it?
It's fine, it's about where you'll be sat with the seat anyway.
And
I can't drive like that, are you mad? Wheel with the brake.
Let's go. Look about 12. I don't know what you're worried about.
I know, yeah, she's not hard at all.
Remember, you've got no brake and you're going downhill.
Quick, oh shit.
Before we go any further, we'd like to thank today's sponsor, Pouch, for making this video possible.
Pouch is a free desktop browser extension that automatically finds and applies the best discount codes when you're shopping online.
So this is perfect for us, because that battery right there is always flat, and we need some tools to take it out, so Pouch should be able to help us.
Fingers crossed. Right, go on then, have you got on?
So I'm on Euro Car Parts now.
Pouch
has automatically popped up and found me 4 codes.
Right.
But then it's automatically applied the codes. And it saved us £61.
60 quid?
Yeah, that's a lot of money, that isn't it?
I'm happy with that, yeah. So Pouch works on over 3,000 UK sites like Booking.com, Curry's PC World,
and Papa John's, because you love pizza, so you should know that.
Love pizza, me, mate.
Pouch only takes a couple of clicks to install. Make sure you pin it to your browser.
So get Pouch for free right now. All the links are in the top of this video's description. Go and get it. It's free. Why not? Why would you not get that? Save some money. It's free.
Free is free. Now turn around, turn around.
Oh, I've got shit all over me.
Right, you got a bit of dirt there. Normally, I'd wipe it off here, but I ain't down with that gay shit. So people say, why don't you do all the work yourself, do all the welding, cutting and stuff. Why do we need to do it? Patrick is an absolute beast at welding and cutting steel.
Have you ever seen him cut from steel? I was going to say, have you ever seen him do that yet?
No. You see how that was done? Because you're doing the next one.
I'm not doing that. We can't start just pulling, even though that is seat related. You can't just start yanking wires out because you don't know what we actually need yet, do we?
Now it's stuck. The weld is getting stuck, so the wire as it's coming through is getting stuck at the end, so Patrick's got to clean it out.
This is karma, because the M2 went so well.
Yeah, it did.
So now everything's just going tits up.
Right, moment of truth.
Is it alright? Have you checked?
It looks bang on to me.
Really?
Is it going in?
It's going in, sausage.
Yes.
There you go.
That ain't going anywhere, is it? No.
No.
See, what you've got to be careful of is being too precise and too safe.
You just need to crack on with it, don't you?
You just need to put the seat in. What's the worst that's going to happen? You're going to go through the windscreen. So, on a serious note, for a change, we must stress that Patrick and Awesome GTI have now said they're having nothing to do with this seat install, because Patrick said it's just not right the way we're doing it. But we just want to get it finished and get it on track. So we're just gonna carry on with it.
I mean, I want to let you carry on with it, and then what we can do is the first track day, I'll let you out. We'll probably do a good 10 laps. Have a go at crashing it if you fancy.
Fair enough.
You know, just like a light bump. And if you come out unscathed, I'll have a go.
So everyone that comments and said, I can't believe you've done it like that. Well, we are doing it like that. It'll be fine. It'll be safe, the seat won't move.
About to see one of the most dangerous sights you've ever seen. This here is Leroy, aka Doris. What the hell are you doing with that?
You've got to stick your tongue out.
What's all you doing, man?
Hold on a minute. Put the guard down as well.
Well done, mate.
I should have goggles on as well, but there we go now, look.
Confident?
Well, I'm not known for my precision, so if it fits, it fits. If it doesn't, we'll just drill it again. Right, that one goes in. Oh, this one might be a bit off. So completely disregard what we just said about doing it on our own. We did it on our own and it didn't work on our own. So we've got Tabby who's helping us, and Patrick's back actually, to show people these are actually safe.
Why would people be questioning our safety and stuff?
but that is a safe thing. They've been tapped and then some sleeve things put in. We've done this before.
Smashed it. We've done this a few times now, though, haven't we?
So if this doesn't fit, we're definitely going home, yeah?
Yeah. Bollocks. How's that?
Oh, how's the way, yeah? Yeah, let's try again.
Fuck.
That was in the wrong way around. Now, I shouldn't be feeling confident at this point, but I am actually confident because the measurement should be right, surely.
Should be bang on.
Get ready for day 3 tomorrow because we can't get the bolts in here. Gonna have to take this out. Ain't a 2-minute job. See you tomorrow, yeah?
This side's in though.
Just rip it out. There you go. Did you mean to put it there?
Yeah.
If one of your members of staff to take 3 days to put a seat in, would they still have a job?
Well, I wouldn't have a business.
Meanwhile, back to Ben. How are you getting on there?
Fucking well.
Rip it down. Fucking rip it out!
Rip it out, yeah.
I hope that's not camera.
Yeah, that's your motto, isn't it? Rip it out.
There is still something connected, but I can't quite work out what.
Well, it'll be unconnected when you rip it out, so just rip it out. Cheers, mate. Thank you. So it took an hour to get 4 bolts in. But the problem we've got now, I think this side's not going to slide. Is this it? Moment of truth?
I hope so.
Stay positive.
Driving position's good.
So if it doesn't slide, you're all right.
Yeah.
For yourself.
Actually, I am. I would be all right. Yeah.
Yeah, top slide of that. What now?
How?
That side slides though. That side slides because we've just moved it. This one doesn't. We've come to the conclusion that the slider bar thing that lifts it up hasn't connected with the front bit. So I've just bent it in the vise. Is that it?
That is in.
Yes. That's it.
It's not the best,
Hey,
but it slides.
That'll do. Perfect. Happy with that. 3 days.
Mate,
You've done alright.
I never want to do that ever again.
I just left you to it.
Does it go any further back though?
I think that is all your travel there.
I'll have to do, won't it? So is this officially done, yeah?
Is it? Well, no, we've got the other side and we've not tightened the bottom up yet.
Yeah, but we're confident, aren't we, this is done, yeah? Confident.
We are confident.
And guess who's turned up? The curb assassin. Look, curb assassin's here.
How are we, boys?
You're too late. Oh, we've done it now. We've finished it.
We've just literally missed you drying your eyes then, go on.
2.5 days, no dangers, come to my fingers and now I've cut it. Typical, innit? And do you know what that means? I've done more work than you.
Bollocks, mate.
That's it, innit? If it wasn't for you, Simon, right, we would have given up yesterday.
Wow.
So,
That is true, actually.
You just needed that little bit of motivation, that was all.
that's it. I don't know how you motivated us actually, but you did say you're a pair of dickheads if you just give up now. So we was like, we might as well carry on.
This is the abuse that we get from Awesome GTI
See, that's
now.
the thing, Sideways Simon on camera, on Awesome's channel, is dead like professional. When he's on ours, don't
Calls
give a
us
shit.
dickheads.
Don't give a shit on ours, does he? So that is actually finished, but what about the brake calipers? Let's go and have a look.
Oh, yeah, they have actually, yeah, come on. So, do you remember, these were the ones that were all absolutely battered?
Yeah.
Like all scratched and chunks missing and all that kind of stuff.
Can't believe how good they look now.
They look brand new, don't they? You said that's corrosion, didn't you?
Yeah, it's corrosion when you get underneath the steel plate.
Yeah.
You've got the steel and aluminium react with each other, it's galvanic corrosion. Can't really stop that, but what you can get sometimes, it lifts so much it actually starts to grab the pad, but it also rots away the aluminium. So luckily it's not rotted around the bolt holes, so your position is still in the same place, which is good.
Happy
But
days.
you're not going to see that anyway. I mean, you're going to see that bit. And
Yeah.
that bit there looks like
Looks mint, doesn't it?
brand new. Yeah.
It's done
And there's
right.
the back one,
And there's the back. Yeah.
brand new.
No matter how knackered the calipers are, they can be bought.
They can be sorted out, yeah, because they look mint then.
Yeah. So if you want them doing, speak to Dean. He will give you a price. Very cheap, yeah.
Oh, very cheap.
7% off.
Very cheap.
Eagle GT70. You know the code
We'll
words.
talk.
First problem encountered. There's no start button.
I unplugged my start button, yeah, I
Where
need
is it?
that. I think it might be in the boot. It's time, mate.
So the brakes are going on next Friday. That's an easy job.
Track rod
hopefully.
ends.
Track rod ends. The wing we're picking up from
Today or
when?
tomorrow.
So-
John's got the bumper, he's
Yeah.
painting and sorting all that out, yeah. Just need
To get it
wheels,
fixed.
because obviously the wheels are still knackered.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're almost ready to go, aren't we?
Like and subscribe.
And we've got a new battery on the way. thanks to Pouch. So
Yeah.
download the Pouch browser. It's free. So
Completely free. Give it a go.
right,
Yeah.
so 3 days, yeah. So hopefully you watched it all the way through because it's been an absolute nightmare.
Yeah, shit job.
Nothing to do with the car, just working with him for 3 days.
Thanks, mate.
You know, highlight of the video is when you turned up.
Was
Bollocks.
That was it.
I like James, please.
Right.
I hate to please.
See you later.
See you later.
Looks homeless, him, anyway.
Got to say, massive thanks to Mark, Awesome GTI, for helping us. Patrick, Tabby, Jamie,
Yeah.
Greg,
Yeah.
everybody's helped us.
Even Mark came down and gave us some shit for a bit, didn't he?
Well, he didn't help us though, did
He didn't help us,
So
no.
no thanks to Mark. Thank you for letting us use all your place.
Yeah, yeah,
And no
cheers
thanks
for
for
that.
your labour.
No, forget it. Cheers though, Mark. Thanks very
Cheers.
much.
Thank you.
Ta.